In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Jira. We're going to walk through the process of finding and starting the installation of a ChatGPT app directly from inside Jira. This is a simple workflow and it begins from your Jira project view. So make sure you're logged in and looking at your Jira dashboard or backlog screen before you start. First, go to the top navigation area and click on Apps. This is where Jira gives you access to add-ons, integrations, and tools that can extend what the platform can do. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry. It's the normal place to begin whenever you want to connect a new app to your Jira workspace. After that, click Explore More Apps. This will open the Atlassian Marketplace area connected to Jira, where you can browse available tools and search for exactly what you need. This section is useful because it lets you review app options without leaving the Jira environment. Once you're in the Marketplace search area, type ChatGPT into the search bar. Be sure to spell it clearly so the most relevant results appear right away. Searching this way helps narrow down the app list and saves time, especially if there are many similar productivity or AI-related tools available. When the results load, click on ChatGPT for Jira. This will take you to the app's dedicated page, where you can review what the tool is designed to do inside Jira. Opening the app page is an important step because it gives you a chance to confirm that you've selected the correct integration before moving forward. Next, take a moment to read the overview. This section usually explains the app's features, how it works, and what kinds of tasks it can help with in Jira. For example, an app like this may assist with issue summaries, descriptions, or other text-based workflows. Reading the overview helps you understand whether the app fits your team's needs and what to expect from the trial. Once you're ready, click Try It Free. This starts the process of adding the app to your Jira environment. Depending on your permissions, Jira may either continue directly or ask for confirmation from an administrator. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts. That's it. You've successfully found the ChatGPT app in Jira and started the free trial process. If you're following along in your own workspace, take your time on the overview page so you know exactly what the app offers before you install it.